Hello! In this interactivity, you are going to investigate the gravitational potential energy, its definition, formula, and application. We will let the weightlifter lift the weights. He is providing a force to lift the weights, and he is doing work against the force of gravity. Energy is being transferred from the weightlifter to the weights. The gravitational potential energy, GPE, symbolized by E sub P, of the weights is increasing. For the weights to move upwards at a steady rate, the force F provided by the weightlifter must equal the downward force mg. Which law tells you? Yes, it's Newton's first law of motion. Now we will show the graph to see how much work is done. This graph is representing a relation between force versus distance. Now, on the graph, what represents the work done by the force? It's the red shaded area, since the work done is equal to the force multiplied by the distance moved. And here the force is mg, so the work done is equal to mg multiplied by h. Thus, the change in the gravitational potential energy of the weights is given by E sub p equal to mgh, where m is the mass, g is the gravity, and h is the height. More correctly, this should be written as delta E sub p is equal to mg multiplied by delta h, where delta E sub p represents the increase in the potential energy and delta h represents the increase in height. Hope you find this simulation useful. Thanks for watching.